Hey guys, welcome back to BBX Inc. What an X stand for extreme fun. My name is Berlin. If you are new here, welcome to my channel where I be vlogging about my life and do reaction videos. So follow me on my journeys. So today I am going to do a little vlog of what I do on my regular day. So tune in. So right now we're going to pick up the dude that's supposed to train us this morning.
When I'm going to text the mom
Yes, sir. Honestly, I think I might just come back to him and at around 4:30 and just go run some errands. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do instead of just waiting around. Cause every time I come to see him or come to get a haircut, he's either not in the store, like in the shop, or he just went on lunch break or some joint like that. I really need this haircut. Like that ass, my tit is tight. Like,
I could have hold it for you.
Like, god damn.
I could have hold it for you. Can I hold it? Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and let Jessica just hold that chip because my breast was just looking too stiff in the room. Motherfucker just pulled off like somebody ain't walking out. Like, damn, if that was your child hopping out the car, would you just want somebody to drive off like that?
What somebody do?
Let me see. Nah, you look good. With the little opening, perfect. With the little opening, they would never suspect.
I'm gonna be like, excuse you?
Into the theater. You feel what?
I feel heavy.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
You know I'm not. You know I can pull any.
I know. Why? We made it in. People are slowly gonna start seeing us pulling out snack out of nowhere.
You're flying out into the darkness to fight a ghost.
All those big actors are in there. They should give me more.
The Spider-Man movie was 10 out of 10. I enjoyed it. I didn't really do nothing much today. I don't know if I'm going to stitch some of this vlog into another vlog, but thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing to BBX Inc. What X stands for extreme fun vlogging. Thank you for tuning in. Check out my next video next week. Peace out.